Hello, I hope you are doing fine and I hope you are doing great. This is Daniel and I'll be doing a walkthrough video of a project to explain what you ask us to do for you. I'll be explaining according to the document you share with us. So this is the document you share with us, and let's start from the beginning. So probably this might be a comprehensive walkthrough video of the project. So these are the color code. First of all, I'm going to explain where you can change the color code. So you come to after you click on this settings icon. Let me use this so that you can know where I'm pointing to. After you come to this settings icon, you click on it. You over on branding and you come to color. So these are the color code right here. These are the color code right here. Though there are some, when you add some, if it will not, for example now, this particular place, if the color code that's supposed to be there will not show properly on dark background, then Mighty Network can suggest other color that can be used. So these are the color code, and so they are not much, and so that is that. Let's make progress. So in case you want to change the color code, you can come here and make edit to it. And in case you want to have just one color, just click on basic and you put the general color there. And let's make progress. Tone, okay, tone of your website, of your, so this one you say we have paid, free, and that's how we have it for all of them. These are the space. So we have this is the Atlanta, and we have the Botana, and we have the work. So each one have three spaces, so we still get there properly. We have the welcome to B3 bomb, and this is the welcome page. This is the welcome page. Welcome to B3. So this is the message. This is your video welcoming people into the community. So that's the welcome space. And so the bio and the landing page. So I actually include this in the bio, in the community bio, in the about page. If you come to the settings again, you come to general, you come to basic. If you scroll down, you see description. So this is the description right here. You can change it, you can adjust it as you want. We now have new member introduction prompt. Now there's something about this new member introduction prompt is that I create new different account to test different things. Let me go to members. So if you see this, all these accounts, I'm the one who actually create those accounts to test this out. So I'm going to go to one of them now, which is this. And you can see member, we have something called, there's something called introduce yourself, that a member have before. If you click on that, that will take the member to where they can fill their details, their name, their last name, the about them. This is okay, the mini bio, the about me, and they can include personal link if they want to. So that is where the first link take them to. But the document that you share with me is a full the document that you share with me, it has text and all of that. The automatic one that is here by Mighty Network, there's no way we can edit that. So what I did is this: I create the one you sent to me under this under the welcome to B3 space. I create that as a post. This is it right here. It is still under their welcome checklist. If they click on it from here, it will take them to that post. It will take them to that post. This is the post right here, and they can add the comment to introduce themselves. They can add comment to introduce themselves. My name is this, my name is this. And aside that, I also create a tab for it. This is introduce yourself feature, just like post. When they want to introduce themselves, they can create a post. And this is from member perspective. Now let me go back to let me I'm just showing you that the introduce yourself, it was created as a post, but there's one introduce yourself already there, which people can go in there, talk about them, and when member come to members, they'll be able to see each person, the person description, what the person say about himself. But if you want them to introduce themselves in a way that people can people can always see it there and all of that, so that is why we have this B3 introduce yourself. You can see it is among the welcome checklist. So we have it below here. When somebody click on it from that, it will just take them to this space where they can add their own comment. And aside that, the question in the introduce yourself, I also create them. Let me go through it from user perspective so that you can understand. One of the things I will suggest is this: create account as a user so that you will see how the community look like from user end, not from admin end alone. So now this is this. From here I can, if I click on welcome, so it take me to this place. I can add a comment. And aside that, when a member come to welcome to page, introduce yourself, the note from founder is here. This is your picture. And we have the community rule, because this is if I we have the community rule. there's no way we can there's no way to add the rule as maybe under the community, except if you create a page for it, maybe on your personal website. Then we can now send the link to Mighty Network support. For example, now let me go through. This is my chat with Mighty Network support, and I want to show you their response. So happy to clarify this for you. There are actually two-way things here. Community rule of engagement. This is live inside your network as a page or article, which is what I did. I create the community rule as article and can be made visible across spaces as we discuss. The second one is times of use, privacy policy, legal link. If you are referring to adding your official times of use, this is handled separately on our end. To get this set up, you will just need to send us the URL of your times of use or privacy policy, the name you want to display, and your choosing name will appear, followed by one of the times followed by one of these times and condition, policy and privacy use. Once we receive your request, our team will add it. So this one now is, if you want people to agree to some times of condition, or maybe you want them to agree to privacy policy when they are checking out, what you will do is you will create the link or the PDF. You will create a link for it, and you will send the link to mighty network support using this need help from the admin end. You just use this. You can send a message, okay, I want to add policy link to my so when people want to sign up, you just include the link here, and they will include that from their end. So that is that about that. And let me make progress. So I've added this. So I've added the community pricing plan. I've added the community rules. This is the community rule right there. If you click on continue, so people can see the rules right from here. And and this is visible across all spaces because I added it to the feature. You can see the people can see feature page, they can easily get access to it. And as well, each question that you have on the on the introduce yourself, I add them as a icebreaker question so people can share their answer. So like, what brought you here? People can add their comment. Maybe I want to learn about this. I want to learn about how to be a good mother, how to be a good father, how to handle myself during pregnancy. Let me just learn here. I want to learn more about motherhood. Comment. So you will see their response. Their response will be below. I want to learn more about motherhood. And people can also share their answers. You can see them right here. What should we call you? And like that. So let's make progress. A note from founder, I've added that, I showed you already. So all the spaces, these are the spaces right here, each one. And I've explained to you that under a space, you can have multiple features. You can have feed, you can have discovery, you can have event, you can have chat, you can have page, and a lot more. But note that multiple feature under a space is only available from growth, is only available on the growth and scale plan. It is not available on the launch plan. So that is that about that. And these are the spaces. This one is for people can watch video on their own. So I put all this here as a placeholder, and if you like, as you come in, you can just click on the three dots, just click delete session, or let me even delete that now. Delete. So that is gone. Nothing is there anymore. So that is that. And this our space for chat, like I explained during our call, is where people can chat just like the way we have WhatsApp group chat. That is that. And let me do my charger. Let me see all that thing. So I've explained all of this. I've explained all of this. In case you want to change the description of any space, once you come to the space, click on it, click on manage. You click on manage, click over on general, you see basic, just click on basic. So from here you can change the title, you can change the description. That is that about that. So this video is something that you can keep, and you can always refer to it when you need to. So upgrade prompt, yes. Now this upgrade prompt, there's no option for that. This is my chat with, let me show you my chat with mighty network support. once again about that. But there's a way out, and which I'm going to show you the way out, which I have done that. I'm coming. So need help. Let me see. Upgrade prompt. This is a chat. So this is said you can't trigger an automation when someone hit paid content, but you can prompt free member using using a banner that target them by their membership plan, meaning that people who do not subscribe to any paid membership, we can actually create a banner that they are going to see for them to subscribe, which I'm going to show you. I've done that, and I'm going to show you where I set it up. If you come to, let me go to, I create many account like I explained. This is the new account I newly set up, and I just choose the free membership. You can see that on top of my dashboard there is this option that says join B3 premium members. Your membership keep this community alive, and I just, if somebody click on join, it will take them to a plan that they can subscribe to. So I will show you where you can make edit to this in case you want to change the plan that people can have access to. Note, there's no option to add multiple plan. You can only link the button to a plan. And also, if somebody cancel this, for example, na the way it is on their note, all the space, if they go to any of the space, let me return this to this side. If they go to any of the space, the banner is going to appear there. The banner is still going to appear there. If they go to any of the space, the banner is still going to appear there. But if they now click on this cancel button, they will still find it here under their profile. They are still going to find it here under their profile, so they can still click from here to join. Now, how did I go about this? I'm explaining all of this so that you can see what I've set up and how I go about them. So you come to settings, you come to marketing. Where's marketing? You come to audience. The first step that I do is that I create the audience for free plan, meaning that I create an audience that people who are free plan, I create them as audience, and I exclude paid plan. People who are in the paid plan, I now come here, I create a promotional banner, which is the banner I just showed you now. So this banner now, you can click on it to edit it. Promotional banner. So just click on it. Click on it. So you can give it a title. So this is the headline. You can change the headline as you want. This is the text button, and this is the plan. You can select the plan that you want to link them to here, or maybe you want to link them to a custom page. If you want to link them to a custom page, here you will choose custom URL and input the link to that URL. But if you want to select another plan, you can select any of the plan available here. So that is how that is done. And let's proceed. So this is membership pricing. Yes. So for each membership, let me go to that page. Let me go to pricing. For each membership, we have the monthly and the monthly and the yearly. For example, now for corporate membership have up to 4 plan according to what you send. But for example, for student membership, we have the monthly, which is 9.99, and we have the yearly plan. And for B3 community, we have the monthly and the yearly as well. For health professional, we have the yearly, we have the monthly. But for corporation, for corporation, you send different. So this for corporation, corporate 5 seats, this is the price, yearly and monthly. Corporate 10 seats, this is the plan. But this one, I did not create any plan for this. Maybe they will contact you directly. Yes. So that is that. Yeah, the plan is created. If you want to edit each plan, this is where to locate them. Once again, this is the plan, but I'm going to come here to explain where you can locate them. Once again, you click on this settings icon. You will see plan and access. Just click on plan and access. It will bring up plan. Let me see, remove this so that you can see it very well. Plan and access. Click on it, you see plan. If you want to, I make this hidden because I use this plan to test premium features. So but I'm going to adjust, this one is hidden now. But in case you want to test premium features and you don't want to be charged, you can use this. I just make it 3,000. I put 3,000 there. And as well, I will suggest that you check out one of the plan, make payment, and see how the community work from customer end. So if you want to edit any of the plan, note you can't change the price, but you can change the title, you can change the description. So if you come to details right here, if you come to details, so you can change the price right here. This is the corporate membership group, 10 seats monthly. You can change the title, you can change the image or video. So this is the sales pitch, this is the bullet list, what they will have access to. So this is the bullet list, and after you are done, click on save change. And as well, you can come to settings. In this settings now is this settings is if you want to include screening question, you can toggle this on and you add your question. If you want to manually approve member, this gets you required to approve prospective member before they can join this page. Turning this gate on will only affect people who have not started the process to join. But since you are going to privately send the link to people, I don't think there's reason for you to manually approve them again, except if you want to. And if you want to manually approve member, just turn this on. That is it. So after a member join, you will see them under members, and if it is pending member, you see the option to approve their membership. That is that. Let's go through the rest of the list. So this is a membership. Now the last one here is the gift a seat. Like I said, Mighty Network does not have the feature for people to gift a seat and all of that. Other platform, what they have is gift card, but Mighty Network does not have the option for that. So what you can do is, for people who want to gift a seat, you can create a post for it and pin it for everybody to see. Maybe you want them to contact you if they have people they want to give a seat, and the person they will send the person email and phone number to you, and you can create a free plan, or you can create a dedicated plan that you are going to send to them for them to have access to the community. So if you want to do that, you can, let me move this. If you want to do that, you can come, maybe you can create a post for it. You can create a post in any of the, maybe here maybe you can come to field and create a post for it, gift a card, and people will be able to see. Okay, if you want to gift a card, kindly reach out to us, and you can now add the person manually to the community by giving the person a free access, meaning that you will create a plan, and that plan you can make it, or maybe you will, after they make payment, you are going to check out for the person using their email and their phone number. Since they have paid for you already, you are going to use your card to check out for them, since they already paid for you. Just like I gave you money to buy something for me, so that is the way it is. Since they said, okay, we want to gift a seat to this person, okay, which of the membership, student membership, B3 membership, or corporate membership, that way you just have to send them a payment link, maybe a private payment link. After they make payment for you, you now check out with your card. but there's one there's one thing you have to note. If you check out the monthly membership and they only pay for 1 month, the following month they are going to deduct the amount from your card. So that is one thing you have to also going to know about gift a card. So that is that about that. This is the end, bring us to the end of the document. This is the note for consultant. Yes, that is that. Thank you very much. You can always download this video, keep it somewhere. You can refer to it when you need to. And if you have any question, kindly let me know, and I'll be very happy to help you with any question you might have. Once again, my name is Daniel, and if you have any other project, I'm a I'm a full stack website designer and developer. I build website, I build online course, I build online community. I use Wix, I use Kajabi, I use Mighty Network, I use School, I use Teachable, and I work with WordPress and Shopify as well. So if you have any project on any of these platforms, I'll be happy to help you with it. Once again, thank you. I appreciate the opportunity to work with you. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.